Thought I'd stop by a while and see you just once more before I leave town. But his car's parked there in your driveway, and I see the curtains pull down. I won't bother to ring your doorbell. I'm not sure just how much I can bear. I might do something I'd be sorry for later, so I won't come in while he's there. Does he know my whole world is in there with him? That he's keen while he sits there in my chair? I'd like to tell you just how much I still love you.